Okay, Jingle Bells. We're going to start this in pieces also, and we're going to do the hard parts first. So the jingle all the way, whatever key that's in, is going to be the first part. And if you look at your fingers when you're putting them down, we're going to start on an F sharp, which is on the D string, D, E, F sharp with our second finger, and your second finger, there's a space in between 1 and 2, so your second finger is real close to where your third finger is going to go down on that third finger tape. Please don't put this on the third finger tape. Leave room to put your third finger on that, but it's going to be real close to that. So we're going to start out with an F sharp, and you're going to pluck that F sharp, and then you're going to pick your fingers up just a little bit and let them hover, and you're going to pluck an open A string. So we're going to do F sharp, A, F sharp, A. Then you're going to go back to the D string, no fingers, and you're going to play a D note, D. Then your first finger on the tape, E. Then back to the F sharp with space in between the E and the F sharp, F sharp. Okay, so those 4 notes are F sharp, A, D, E, F sharp, and the fingers are 2, open, open, 1, 2. Okay? So let's play those notes together. F sharp, A, D, E, F sharp. Excuse me. All right, so that's the hard part. I want you to stop, and I want you to practice that over and over and over again until you can do it like that. I'll wait. Well, pause the video. I won't wait. All right, so the next part, we are going to learn the jingle bells, jingle bells. Funny thing about that, it's easy. It's all the F sharp note. So you're going to get your fingers set again. On the D string, you're going to put first finger down on the tape, second finger with space in between, real close to where the third finger tape is, but not on it yet. Okay, that's the F sharp note, D, E, F sharp. And you're just going to play quarter, quarter, half note, quarter, quarter, half note. That's jingle bells, on an F sharp. Jingle. Sorry, I was singing a little high. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Guess what you do now? F sharp, A, D, E, F sharp, jingle all the way. Okay, so you've got those 2 parts. Put those 2 together and practice them a few times before you go on in the video. Okay, now that you've practiced, the next part, you're going to go to Oh, what fun it is to ride. Only 2 notes here. We're going to start on our G note, which is on the D string. D, E, F sharp, G, third finger. And we're going to do Oh, what fun it is. 5 notes. 1 measure of 4 and an extra one. Oh, what fun it is. Then we're going to move down to an F sharp and do a quarter half note for the next measure. And it's going to be F sharp, F sharp. Okay? So we have 1 measure of G, and then the next measure is G, F sharp, and then it's a 2-note F sharp. So it's going to be G, F sharp, is to ride. Okay? So do that for a second. Now that you've done that, we're going to do Oh, what fun it is to ride, which is G, 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 F sharp, F sharp. Okay, so practice that on your own. And then we're going to go F sharp, E, E, F sharp, E, A. Okay, so it's going to be 2 on the D string, then 1, 1, and then 2, 1. So it's F sharp, E, E, F sharp, E. Then just pluck an open A, A. do Jingle Bells again. What note was Jingle Bells on? F sharp. D, E, F sharp. Then we do Oh What Fun It Is to Ride. G, 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 F sharp again. And then we're going to go, the last notes are going to be, it's going to be an A, then you've got to plop all 3 fingers down right on your D string. So open A, all 3 fingers down so you can play that G, G, A, D, E, F sharp, G, A, D. But then you're going to skip your F sharp, you're going to pick up fingers 2 and 3 and go to E. So it's going to be A, G, then pick up your G to a first finger, E, and then open D. So those notes are A, G, E, D. Okay? Open, 3, 1, open. And that's going to be Jingle Bells. When you put it all together, you have the F sharp, then the finger twister that we practiced first, F sharp, A, D, E, F sharp. Then we're going to hang out on G, 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 F sharp, then F sharp, E, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, E, open A, then back to Jingle Bells, F sharp, 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 A, D, E, F sharp, hang out on G, 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 F sharp, F sharp. Now the change, A, all 3, G, E, D. Ta-da! That's Jingle Bells. Have fun practicing, and make sure your fingers do it awesome.